Nancy McAllister, 5-star Golden Circle, and I'm here with Stephen Bentley, 3-star Golden Circle. We are in beautiful Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and today Steve is going to share a tip with you that I just thought was brilliant. Now before I pass it along to him, I just want to tell you a little bit about Steve. Not only is he an incredible guy, but he's an incredible athlete. He has done multiple Ironmans and triathlons, and he has been named Coach of the Year by the Triathlon Ontario Association. Over the past 23 years, he's coached numerous athletes in Ironman distances as well as triathlon distances and shorter distances. So he knows what he's talking about. And when he was sharing this valuable tip at one of his athlete sessions where he was sharing how our products and isogenics can fuel the body and fuel athletes, I said he has to share this with our team. So Steve, share away.
I'm on it. Thanks, Nancy. Well, what I've been doing for a while now is getting very lazy because I like to put all my energy into working out. So I hated having to open up my calcium, my fruits, and my greens every day. So what I figured out is I was actually going to put the cans into an empty canister of either shake or isopro and actually just take that mixture and put it into my shake every day. So what I've done here is to figure out what's the exact amount, I put a whole serving of calcium, a whole serving of fruits, and a whole serving of greens into a shake scoop, and it filled it up completely. So I know if I take a mixture of this out of this empty shake canister, it's going to be a whole serving of each of these. So we're going to just put that in there. You don't need that anymore. Then what we're also going to do is take a serving of the calcium here, or actually a half a can, pour in half a can of it because we want to shake it up nicely. Put that there for now, a little dusty, so if you've got a cat around that might be allergic to dust, or a dog, or your kids, have them get out of the room. We're going to put half a canister of that. Same thing with the greens, we don't need that scoop, actually we don't need that, we don't need that. So put that in there, a little bit of a mess, that's okay, I don't mind. Then we're going to put this lid on here, shake this up, don't forget to put the lid on really tight. Then we're just going to swirl that around. You'll understand very quickly why we're not putting the whole can of each in. That's a little dusty, but that's okay. It's gone now. So you can see the mixture is a nice homogeneous color. Then we're going to dump the rest of that in there. Don't need that. The rest of that. Don't need that. Oh, this is really dusty, this stuff. Don't need that. And then we're going to put this back on here. Shake that up nicely. It's a little bit of a workout. That's okay. And in fact, I just realized I lost my shake scoop, so I tossed that first. We'll find that later. Then we just put that back in there, and then we're good to go. Oh, thanks very much, Nancy. And then we just put that back in there, and then we're ready to go. We just take a serving of that, put it in our shake every day, and we are off to the Isogenics races.